Aga na. Kaya rin na mismo, men. Si Duke pinatay ko. Si Duke.
Op, Polonia. Op, Polonia.
Isang ko sa'yo, boy. Parang sasabihin mo, ikaw yung napatay. Parehas team natin eh. Si Duke, yung minumura si si Yuma sa Discord. Duke Nukem. Wait nga lang, pakita ko na lang sa'yo. Wait lang.
Si Doc?
Hmm.
naman yun.
Kaboom.
Sabihin
Op,
mo,
Polonia.
pinatay kita, takinan mo.
Op, Polonia. Fuck you, Indians.
Who are you calling us Indians, but you have the hardest fucking accent of an Indian? How the fuck are you gonna call us Indians?
Fucking
Come on,
Indians.
Make it make sense. You stupid motherfucker.
Indians. Fucking Indians and Philippines. Fucking suckers.
Fucking stupid shit, Ken. I'm telling you, this is what we deal with all day.
Fucking
telling
suckers.
you.
Fucking suckers. Fucking Indians and Philippines. Fuck your moms.
Goyo, tang ina, bumalik din.
I'm really so racist, bitch.
Ano, wala pa ng bala si
Saka malaman sika malaman pikit ka pa.
Ano, wala pang kami kay Miss MJ. Napatay si Miss MJ.
Ding.
Ayok na yan, nakapistol si Pano. Nakapistol si Pano.
Ay, gago, 3% na lang.
Ding.
Friend.